Good morning and welcome to Lifestyle Matters. I'm your host, Blake Buck. Today I'm joined by Emerald City Roller Derby and SELCO Community Credit Union. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having us.
You're welcome. To start off, what is roller derby?
Yeah, roller derby is a super fun, high-intensity, full-contact sport played on roller skates. To give you a quick little outline on how it works, during our games, there's 2-minute periods called jams, and each team has one person on the track at a given time whose job is to score points.
Okay.
They score points by skating around, essentially racing each other and passing other players from the other team.
Okay.
So everybody else's job on the track is to stop those jammers from scoring points.
Yeah.
So it gets really physical, very intense.
Yeah.
You sacrifice your body to prevent them from scoring, and it's a ton of fun.
Yeah. And how long have you guys been around for?
We've been around for almost 20 years.
20
In
years.
2026,
Okay. Wow.
yeah, it'll be
That's a
20
long
years of Emerald City Roller Derby.
And for home games, you guys have a location here in Eugene, Springfield area?
Yeah, we're playing home bouts at the Bob Kiefer Center in
Okay.
Springfield. So we practice and play there for the games in November, December, April, and May this year.
Okay. So you guys' season is coming up here pretty shortly?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just getting started. Yeah.
Okay. And, you know, rivalry is a big thing in sports. Do you guys have a rival that you guys are competing against here in town or elsewhere?
I would say that we don't have one rival right now. We're in a really awesome growth period. In the 2 years that I've been here,
Yeah.
I've seen us, go from playing teams and them being a challenge to the next season competing really well with them and maybe looking to get other opponents that are more challenging. So I would say with the continued evolution of the team, that brings new possible rivals.
Yeah. And if people are going to go to these matches, what can they expect?
I would say they should expect a super immersive experience. They're right there next to the track, on the track, and during the jams, very high intensity, high level of physical contact, the most I've ever played in any sport. And then really cool dichotomy where between the jams, it's the best sportsmanship where you'll see players from opposing teams, skating around together, giving high fives, passing each other. So a really good balance of that high competition and, high level of sportsmanship.
Yeah. And you mentioned before that you've been doing this for 2 years. How did you get involved?
Whenever I was in college, one of my professors was playing roller derby on the team, and they always were talking about it as roller derby players do. And went and I asked her, oh, what's with this roller derby thing? And she asked if I ever played sports before, and I said, well, I played lacrosse in high school, and I'd always foul out. And well, we practice on Wednesdays, and I went and she brought skates for me, and I have been playing since.
Yeah. And how did the connection between Emerald City Roller Derby and SELCO come about?
Yeah, SELCO actually reached out to us, so it was super cool to see that they were already having conversations about how to get involved in roller derby. It sounds like they were fans already, and we've been really grateful of their partnership, helping us get more involved with the community, helping us make our games more exciting, and also helping with our scholarship fund for our members.
Oh.
Well, and we truly came to them because we love the culture that they've been
Yeah.
able to build and the sense of community that you get in being part of roller derby, where it's really inclusive and there is a place for everybody there, is just something that we knew we wanted to be a part of. So we will be there with our foam fingers ready to cheer them on for the season.
Great. And if people want to come out and support you guys as well, how can people get information about when matches are and buy tickets as well too?
Yeah, the best way to follow us is Instagram or Facebook. We post updates about our games. You can follow us at Emerald City RD on Instagram or on Facebook as Emerald City Roller Derby.
Yeah.
And we'll have updates as the season progresses.
Yeah. And you said it goes from December to February?
Yeah, we're looking at around September as our start of our season to the end of the summer, so like June-ish.
Perfect. Well, thank you all so much for joining me today, and thank you as well. Again, I'm your host, Blake Buck. We'll see you next time.